Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing new week. Currently it is Monday and let's get right into the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin, as you can see right here on the hard time frame, things are still pretty much looking the same, but if we drop down to the lower time frame, you can see right here we did have quite a massive rejection. You can see Bitcoin is down right now almost 2.5%, and basically we are trading in this range right here. We were trading yesterday, we actually did break out above this value area high. We were targeting this high right here, and Bitcoin did actually take out the high or not. I am not sure. I have not looked at it perfectly if we did. Yeah, we did actually take out the high. You can see Bitcoin did a basically textbook perfect swing failure pattern right here from this high. So what this means right now for Bitcoin, as you can see, potentially we are going to go down to the weekly pivot, and if we start losing the weekly pivot, then potentially we could start taking out some of the lows before price actually continues, and maybe, just maybe, this could very well be the top right here. This swing failure pattern that we are seeing right now could mark the top. If we look at it on the daily time frame, you can see basically we are very close to the 200 EMA on the daily time frame, and last time we were this close on the 200 daily EMA. We front ran this level and then the next big move started. Now I don't think that this particularly looks the same. You can see this range was way shorter, and this range right here has been going on for very long right now. If we measure it, you can clearly see basically until the drop, this is like 55 days. And if we measure it from the drop, this range has been going on for around 81 days, guys. So quite a lot. And I do believe Bitcoin has still more work to do. This is why I believe this time we could actually test the 200 daily EMA, even though things right now are not looking the best after this swing failure pattern. But I do believe once we get the New York session open with the stock market staying near all-time highs, basically currently above all-time highs in price discovery, we are due to see Bitcoin continue. If we hold this order block right here, you can see we could potentially very well pump another 8 to 9% all the way up to this level that I have marked right here. It is very well possible. Could it happen this week? Maybe even by the end of the week, once we get the new monthly candle open, since I do believe this monthly candle does not have any more juice left in it, and we will need to see the new monthly open in order for price to actually move. On the weekly, you can see we've had like 4 green weekly candles in a row, so it's completely normal to see a slight pullback that we are having right now. Nothing to be scared of, basically, as long as we don't lose this order block right here that we are above right now on the weekly. You can see we have closed the weekly candle this high right here. Weekly open and daily open are sitting above this order block, which is very bullish. We are closing above this range. Basically, you can see once price closed above this range, some daily candles, we have continued to trade above this range. The dollar is looking weak. You can see the Dixie is looking absolutely brutal right here with a open candle to the upside, and then we start to basically drop once again. USD dominance is right now gaining momentum. This is basically the inverse chart of Bitcoin, but you can see potentially I believe we could reject from the EMAs right now since it is trending down. This is just a slight pullback, which is completely normal. Markets move this way. Overall, yesterday I did post that we have CVD rising, open interest was down, and price was doing almost nothing right here. And I did believe that this is gonna be the next move to the upside, and this is exactly how this play out. You can see right here. I did post on my X, and I did tell you that big move will be coming soon, and I do believe it's going to be to the upside. We did get a move to the upside, but it was just like 2.5%. It was not that big of a move. Locally, you can see the open interest started rising very much, and we topped out once again. Not as much as this last time, but still, I believe this pullback is just a liquidity grab to the downside to wreck all the longs that have been opened up right here. You can see it clearly. So if we look at the liquidation heat map, you can see Bitcoin actually front ran the liquidity that was sitting above us. We only took out the high. We failed to sweep the liquidity higher, which I do believe if we went for that liquidity higher, the move could have continued to the upside. Fear and Greed Index started dropping once again, currently at 44, approaching that fear zone. Even with those small dumps, people are getting scared very, very fast. But as I said, as long as we don't start dropping below those EMAs and losing this order block that we have right here, then I believe there is nothing to be afraid of in the short term. We could still see very well this move continue to the upside by the end of the week. Spot ETFs, we don't have anything new here since it is just a Monday. Long versus shorts ratio, you can see more sellers right now since after the longs got wrecked, but you can see on Hyperliquid the bigger whales are still staying nice and bullish. We have more longs on Hyperliquid than shorts, which is a very good indication. We only got some news for today, basically some Fed chair guys are speaking. We got Bitcoin conference tomorrow and FOMC data on Wednesday. Those are gonna be the next important days. Basically Wednesday, Thursday and Friday are gonna be the most important for Bitcoin. And I do believe that this would cover it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.